Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into something a lot of people are curious about. So how to build a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT. That means you don't need to show your face, hire a team, or even do much writing. Just a few smart prompts and tools and you're ready to go. So let's get in. So what is a faceless YouTube channel? And a faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. So you publish videos without ever showing your face or your voice. Instead, you just use tools like AI, voices, the stock footage, the screen recording, using softwares like OBS, the slideshows, the animations. So perfect for camera shy creators or anyone trying to build up a passive income stream. So let's start with the niche. The first thing that you need to know is you pick your niche with your ChatGPT. So this is where your ChatGPT comes in. You can give it a prompt, like for example, this one. Remember, I'm using ChatGPT for all that you can buy or subscribe every month, and it's very powerful. I promise you to give you a good feedback. So act like a YouTube growth expert. Suggest 5 profitable niche for a faceless YouTube channel. Then consider trends and revenue potential and also ease of the content creation. So then you prompt it. It gives you the content like that. Look at that. It has said AI tools and tech tutorials, why it works. It's booming, especially tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and automation of platforms. So you can come up where you make AI tools and also take tutorials on things like how to use ChatGPT to do a BCD, how to use ChatGPT to do that. Also take tutorials like, for example, fixing a computer, a laptop, or something like that. Then it has given you that idea. Then the idea number 2, we have finances and investing, especially personal finances, why it works, always in demand, high CPM niche. Then monetization, AdSense, sponsorship, you have faceless strategies, stock video, text animation, you have trending content, how to save like $10,000 fast, and all that. Another idea that we have here that ChatGPT has given us is the motivational or successful compilation channel. Motivational or successful compilation channel, and why it works: low cost to create, high watch time, strong algorithm performance, monetization. You have affiliate products like books, courses, memberships. You have faceless strategy, use royalty free clips or voiceovers or famous audio snippets and all that. Then it has also given you another one, automated storytelling, Reddit reads, true crime, horror. You have luxury lifestyle and digital nomad life and all that. So ChatGPT can spice these things up. ChatGPT might just suggest personal finance, tech reviews, and all that. So you can even go ahead and write your own uh, request it. If you're working with the niche of fitness and health, you can just request it to give you the name of the channel, then also give you some description about the channel and all that. The next thing that I want you to do is use ChatGPT to write your script. Most of the time, you find out that you don't have time to come up with a complete script, just writing it down. So you let your ChatGPT to write your video script. And here is the prompt that I want you to use to write your video script. So write a 3-minute YouTube video script for my faceless channel. Topic is 5 AI tools for beginners, friendly, educational, and all that. Then you give it. It goes ahead and writes the script for you. So let us go through the script with you. Look at this. You have the voiceovers here. AI isn't just for the tech gigs anymore. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or an entrepreneur, there are 5 beginner-friendly AI tools that can literally save you hours of work and maybe even help you make some money on the side. So let's dive in. That's just what you're saying. Just reading through the scripts and all that. So first up, ChatGPT by OpenAI. This tool is like having a smart assistant 24/7. You can use it to write emails, summarize articles, brainstorm ideas, or even code. Just type in what you need, and it gives you answers in seconds. So it's great. It's great for beginners because it's like texting a real smart friend. So that is kind of the script that I'm just reading through. It can give you that script and you just read through and all that. Now for the visuals, you can also add some visualization. You don't need to record yourself or do something like that. Just take some videos from the pixels or the slideshow made in the canvas or the PowerPoint. Then you just add some visuals. ChatGPT can still visualize for you if you want to do that. Then you can also add some voiceovers. You can use the voice, but you don't have to. Instead, you can also just make sure that you have put all the ideas together. Now bring it all together and use a software like, for example, Clipchamp to edit your videos. Like, for example, I'll show you Clipchamp here. And remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because there's many videos that I've done on how to use Clipchamp to make sure that your work is quite well and you can edit it. It's a free software that you can use to edit your video to make sure that you give the best output. And it's taking some few minutes to open up. But once it's up, you can use this platform to edit your videos, to make your videos nice, add voices, add different styles. Like, for example, this one, you see, I have used it before to create a video, and I always use this platform to create my videos. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so that you can learn a few tricks here and there about Clipchamp, then come up with the best video so that you have that channel running. So once you get the once you get the hang of it, you can just repeat the process in weeks. You could create 2 to 3 or 5 videos, all faceless, all powered by AI, and schedule them on YouTube. Then you build that channel as you sleep. So that as long as it's on YouTube, it will go ahead and start building your channel slowly by slowly. And that is it. You've just and that is it. Just your step-by-step guide to starting a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT. So got any question, drop them in the comments. One more AI tools and tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.